There's Khalil cooking mama. There's Khalil.
Brownie mix?
Here's the brownie mix, because we're not good at making brownies. We're also lacking all the necessary ingredients. Egg, already cracked, pre-cracked, came in the box, pre-cracked.
Nah, I cracked it already.
He's lying.
I'm not.
Ooh, lay it out on me. Got the shells. Oh.
Mic drop.
Not what I expected. Another one. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the hell? Another egg. Egg number 2. He got yolk and shells on his finger. Now I gotta pick this up. Don't want salmonella, so I won't lick my fingers. Maybe. Oh God. I hate having dirty hands. I'm sorry.
That's probably really bad for food safety. I just sprayed that right next to this.
Oh yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah, I get I probably get failed in my culinary class. Anyways,
I mean, in my class, we usually clean up after cooking,
yeah.
or like during cooking. Like vegetable, what? Let me read this.
Vegetable oil.
Where's the steps? Are these the steps?
On the left. Dog, on the left. No.
Like this. Okay.
If you saw. I hate you, bro.
Do you have toothpicks?
No.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you guys don't have an electric kettle.
Oh, yeah, no. It's not.
Look at these Americans. Can't even run electric kettles. Oh my God.
Boom.
This
It's
dude's so
not.
emo.
This
Let me see. Come closer.
Why? Because of the shirt.
I think you got eye bags, man. It's not that. Fine boom sound effect here. Thank you, editor. Oh my God. He's got white stuff on his back now. Turn around. Turn around.
No.
Okay.
I don't feel comfortable around you.
What have I done? You should put coffee powder in that. I know nothing about baking. What? I didn't read it. Read? Let me think. My fault. Don't fall, please. No! You're gonna break my phone.
And now, with all this, it's time.
Just mix it up. You don't got a stand mixer?
No, we don't.
Nuh-uh. He's not that rich. Break up the eggs. Mix it up. Oh. Oh my days. Beat that shit. Oh, come on.
Dog, you said that shit yourself. I don't want to hear it.
Oh my God. I can't stand these people. Oh, my arm hurts. Oh, I'm not letting you grab it. You have dirty hands.
I wash my hands.
You're literally mixing shit as you say. Oh, this chair doesn't feel comfortable.
I'm gonna say something.
This chair's scary. It's creaking.
I didn't add vegetable oil.
Yeah, you just took it out. This is going beautifully planned. Rhino. Thank you, YouTube, for allowing me to do such activities. What the is it really that much?
Half a cup.
What?
God damn.
Are we gonna save these for later, or are we gonna eat them all? I'm not that hungry, to be honest.
Mixy, mixy.
Was that enough royalty-free music?
Horny.
You have a pan?
Yeah.
Like
We
a
have
baking
one
one?
specific pan and we always use for brownies. It's circular. Oh, it's
Interesting.
not, is it? It is circular.
Or you got puck brownies? Puck brownies or square brownies? Brownie cakes, brownie.
Brownie dates.
This dude hilarious. Look at him. Open your mouth, man. And I'm like, ah! Pog champ. Do the pog.
Alexa,
You have Alexa.
kill him, please.
This dude has Alexa.
Maybe fight you.
I don't know. I don't know this stuff. This is technologically advanced. Us raft riders don't know about this. Okay, dude. It's not that serious. Okay. It's the bad. Oh my god. Oh, my legs.
And now, obviously, I can taste it.
What?
I know. It's rotten.
You're joking, right? You're joking. Okay. For a second, I thought he was serious. You know, you never know. Huh?
Time-lapse.
Oh, but that's gotta be a separate recording. And like, we still got some stuff. Time lapse would be interesting though.
I think the pan I'm looking for is in here already. Where the hell is it? I swear to God, we don't have it.
Oh no. This is quite the dilemma. Use your hands. I don't know where it is either, chat. Oh look, he does have the white mark. Ah, non. Oh, it's right there. Oh, is that already there? Okay. We know what it's from.
It's my dog.
Exactly. Look, I got a strainer.
He's
Or-
legit like a saliva fountain. Nah, like I'm serious. Like, do you fall asleep?
What breed is your dog?
Your mom.
They got a strainer. What are they called? Colanders?
Yes.
Strainer or colander are different things. Little POV. It seems like we're lacking this brownie pan. Maybe it's in the oven. Perchance. There's a pan, a little one. Maybe it's in the fridge. Oh wow, it's right there. I have no idea what he's talking about.
What are you talking? You said it.
I mean, I don't know what the pan looks like. You don't know where it is? We got this batter. It's just there.
It's usually.
It's not. I don't think it's in the freezer either. Maybe it's in his room. You know, we have to stay optimistic here.
It's not in my room.
Optimism is a good thing. Maybe. Just.
Oh, fuck.
What? Let's search. I don't know. Free food. Maybe it's all the way up. How tall is your mom? Like.
Yeah, I'm on there.
It looks up there. There's a severe lack of pan. Of course, it could be in that giant pot, but that also means you'd have to move that giant pot. Or it could also not be in the giant pot because I have no scale.
For no reason.
Exactly. Maybe it's in here. Chat. Place your bets. We just have dough or batter. Hello YouTube. I'm gonna be pouring in brownie batter. Ah, chill out. Ah, you're spraying it. That smell is insane.
Into the pan.
Ow, that hurts. How do you do this?
Just pour it.
Yeah, but like, there's too much residue.
So you take it.
Jeez, it's slimy.
Oh yeah.
No, I was trying to just be like liquidish, but it's slimy. It sticks to itself. And kind of only itself. Are you sure these aren't going to be thin?
Yes.
Whatever you say, boss.
They'll be pretty thin.
Okay. Is that good?
Yes.
We're making brookies. This is in fact metal. Chat, this is metal. Pretty. Yeah, that's pretty thin. They are brookies. This was the best alternative you got because you can't find the other pan.
Might have to make up.
Oh my days. We gotta do both?
Might have to.
We might have to. Just for normal brownies. They'd be ready when everyone else gets here after Defy Gravity. Fuck. Here we are again, pouring in the second half of the brownie mix. Just to make it a little bit thicker. Although this time it looks a little different. Maybe it's because the bottom one's set, but
Yeah, that's why.
ooh. Nice and viscous. A little bit of drip. I would lick it up, but I'm not trying to get some salmonella today.
Oh, my diamonds, they got me drip, bro.
Okay, dude. Okay, dude. This is hilarious, bro. Mimicking an Asian hater. You're lying. He licked it up. Oh, he actually got a spoon this time.
Doesn't fucking matter, Jesus.
It's sticky. Use your hands.
That would create a foodborne illness.
Nuh-uh.
I'm stupid.
Oh my god, did he get it on you? Well, back at it again. The foodborne illness time. Get the bubbles out.
Please be thick. What the fuck is it?
Let's hope it's thicker.
It is.
That's good enough. It's gonna rise either way. This is kind of weird. This is kind of nasty. It's kind of scary.
Okay, that's...
Gotta put it in now, man. Right now. Oh. She's gonna do it like my mom does it. Hmm?
Will that eat?
Yeah. And put it in like my mom.
Me?
Fearless. I don't get it.